Some retired police officers waka enter streets for Abuja on Monday do peaceful protests to draw attention to the poor welfare wey dey affect both retired and active Naija police officers. Na the convener of the Revolution Now movement, Omoyele Sowore, lead the protest as he follow the retired police officers come demand urgent action for federal government. Dem talk say dem no happy at all as government don neglect dem for years, say government no dey pay pensions, plus the way wey dem dey treat officers wey don serve the country well no pure. As Sowore dey talk for the protest, e call on government make dem remember the sacrifice wey police people don make and make dem put their welfare for front burner.
We are saying enough is enough. It's as simple as that. We are not here to talk to their statement. We are here to talk about the well-being of these police officers, both serving, retired, dead, and their family members who deserve a better condition of service or after service. How could somebody serve this country for 35 years? 35 solid years, and they go home with 2 million naira. Some of them went home with 900,000 naira. Are you going to buy the recharge card with 900,000 naira after 35 years? So even if we don't fight for them, it will be unconscionable on our part to ignore them, because the argument always is that, why are you fighting for police? Police is bad. Police is bad because Nigeria is also bad.
Yes.
The leaders of Nigeria are very bad leaders, and you cannot find a good police from a bad country. That is the truth. So we are going to continue our march towards the police headquarters. That's where we are coming from. We're urging the police retirees not to be afraid. The policemen that we have seen on our way here, they are even ready to join if they have the chance.
The protesters still wan say if government no answer dem quick, dem go continue the protest until government meet their demands.
I was only paid from 2004 to 2017, and I was given 2 million naira. I become a nuisance to my family. I'm a nuisance to my neighbors, and I'm a nuisance to my immediate family. Then where do you want me to go? I can't eat. I barely eat once a day. Sometimes I take common Lipton to survive that day. Then what do you want? You want to kill us all so that you eat the remaining money? If a serving policeman dies, his family will stay for more than 4 years. He has not given 10 kobo. And if the family came, they will now have fun with them before they give them money. Even they will give them a quarter of that money, and they will ask them to go and bring 300,000 or 400,000 before giving them the remaining one. If they don't bring, nothing for them.
Who is deceiving you in this country? Why do the IG and co exempt themselves from the penco? Why? Because they know it's a bad thing. Why do they want to instigate police to become corrupt? Now it is very clear that the serving police officers now must have to be corrupt for them to prepare themselves for retirement. As soon as you retire, you have been put into the death sentence. You can't leave. You can't leave. Therefore, we are warning the federal government and advising the lawmakers to exist as from the PENCOM. Otherwise, in a very near future, they will regret it.
I'm a widow. I need my benefit, my remaining benefit with PENCOM. Let them pay me my benefit. My remaining money, let them pay me so that I will continue training my children. I'm a widow. Even my daughter, my last daughter, she's at State University. Yesterday, I branched to see her. She was crying for her rent, 250,000 I'm paying. So this 22,000, how we start? I will gather how many years to pay her rent, talk of school fees, talk of her feeding. I'm not physically well because of my financial. So I came here, let RG hear my voice and let PENCO release my money, my remaining gratuity to me, and let them adjust my pension.
Security people dey on ground to monitor the protest, make it for no scatter or cause wahala for public. Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame, but he fame or not see one. TMC News.